Okay, I'm just going to do a quick stocks breaking out, attempting to break out video update. So SDI Group PLC, SDI, UK stock market. I'll just zoom this out. This is a pretty useful chart at trading basis. Failed breakouts on negative numbers or misses. Stocks what are going to trend higher have to break out. And as you can see, we got no breakout on this base here. It built another base. We got no breakout again. Successful breakouts on positive forward numbers or beats. And as you can see, we had multiple sort of trending runs. And I'll just zoom in on this one here because this one was really good to us, really orderly. Got a breakout here, and then we've got a second breakout here. We call this a base on a base. And it went on 200% run before sort of running out of steam again. Now, as you'll see, stocks roll over, and SDI was trading towards a tick down in its earnings, and basically not a huge tick down, but just didn't have much gas in the tank, and it drifted off for a few years, didn't it? I'm trying to capture the trend. I want stocks what can re-rate. So I'll just zoom back in. As you can see, 78% off highs. They can go a long way. To the present, SDI. Obviously, do your own research. I'm a growth stock investor. I want to trade towards growth. Earnings per share is ticking up strong on SDI. Forecast anyway. After getting that sort of negative number behind it. Same with pre-tax profit. It went from 5.7 and it posted 5.5. Forecast is 9.8. And I'll show you that on the chart in a minute. Turnover ticked up slightly last year, but obviously that didn't filter through to the growth, did it? To the earnings. Earnings per share. And turnover year on year is expected to go from 66. Forecast is 75.2. So as we zoom in on the prelims here, had a bit of a negative day getting those numbers behind it, but then the market starts to look forward. It's not about what's in the rearview mirror. It's you can't capture what's in the rearview mirror. You've got to look forward, and the market does that. So we'll just you could call that a double bottom. It moves to all these highs here, 52-week highs. Stocks what are rising have to trade this level. It's you've not missed the boat. Most stocks will base out after they've made a strong move off the lows. So we've got a base after a strong move off the lows, as you can see. Very defined, but a little bit reverse vol, meaning it's getting looser in the right side. But that was because of the earnings coming up. And now it's tightened back up again, and it's moved up to highs, and it's playing with this level intraday now. So I have some skin in the game on this stock. I will just state that now. If it can close above this level as well, I will have some more skin in the game, because that's more confirmation for me to get my full position on. And so where am I wrong on this? Well, it shouldn't go back below this low here, but you've got to respect the weightings, and I like to build up to a healthy weighting, but I'm not going to strangle this, because something I always say on these videos is breakouts are sometimes an event, but usually a process. So sometimes when I say event, it might just trend out and leave the area, but usually there's a little bit of this in the mix, isn't there? It's usually a process, and this can go on for some time sometimes. So if you expect it to be a process, and give yourself the breathing room so you're not whipped out of the breakouts, what work over time, let's say 8 out of 10, maybe 9 out of 10 will be more process than event. Because in a good market and a great stock, it might be an event, but say the market just has a few bad days, that will turn an event into a process again when it comes to breakouts. So, talking my own book, I have an exit. It will be a paper cut if I'm wrong. I'm wrong half of the time. More, it doesn't define what makes money in the account. It's about how big your winners are, not how often you are right. So that's one I'm going to share live. And yeah, obviously do your own research. Use this as follow along, and use it for learning about how people who buy breakouts and do business. I will leave it there.